Hey guys, Alexa here to do a quick review on this Epson scanner. My husband uses this at his office, but I come to his office to use it all the time because it is awesome. I absolutely love this scanner. It connects to a program on your computer, so when you hit the on button, it automatically through the cord will connect to your computer, or you can connect it via the Wi-Fi, as you can see on the button there. What I love most about this is that this comes in and out. So you can do an entire document, or you can do a receipt, you can do a bill, no matter what the size is, you can do it. And then on the computer program, you can select one-sided, two-sided, so it can scan both sides as it goes through. I've scanned up to 100 documents at a time without any issue. So all in all, I feel like the scanner is superior. This pulls out, but it can fold in. That can come down and that folds right over, and then it's nice and compact and sleek and clean, and it doesn't always have to be up and about, and then it's just super easy to get it unfolded and pull it out, and it's ready to go once you turn it on. So if you're in the market for a really good quality scanner that connects to your computer via Wi-Fi or through the cord, and you're someone that scans all the time, this is definitely worth it. I highly recommend this product.